My wife and I chose Pearl Dental because of the professional and caring treatment provided by Dr. Teresa Salem, her team of dental experts, and her staff.
Richard came to us as a senior in our community. He was cautious, he was nervous, but yet needed some dental care. He knew that he was long overdue for a cleaning. He knew that that also affects his health, and without treatment, other things could go wrong.
My first impression was that Dr. Salem is a very caring dental expert and is knowledgeable, takes the time to explain things to the patient, and reassures them of a good outcome. From the time you walk in the door at Pearl until the time you leave, you are always made to feel welcome. That's important to us.
He came to us and was very, very happy and pleased with the services that he received by my team and myself.
I've had a number of different treatments here at Pearl Dental. One was a filling that had to be done, and it was accomplished with a minimum of discomfort. Overall, the outcome was excellent. That's why I offer my personal recommendations for Pearl Dental.
He was very, very satisfied with the treatment that he received here.
A great smile is important for everyone today. For all of your dental needs, simple, more complex, Pearl Dental Associates can provide those services for you at reasonable costs.